Hi, and welcome to this week's SAP Developer News, where you can catch up with our developer advocates and what's hot in the world of development with SAP technology.
Launching this week alongside the Sapphire keynote announcements was the new learning.sap.com beta website. The vision for this site is to become the consolidated home for all of the major SAP learning offerings. It already provides jumping off points to OpenSAP, the SAP community, the SAP Developer Center, the SAP Training Shop, and the SAP Learning Hub. But most interestingly, the site contains the new SAP Learning Journey for building extensions with SAP Extension Suite. This learning journey will take you through the process of creating a working extension using the SAP Business Technology Platform trial. And best of all, this learning content is completely free and open to everyone in the community. This is an excellent opportunity for our developer audience to both get up to speed on the latest capabilities of the SAP Extension Suite and to try our new Learning Experience Beta. And while there, be sure to use the Give Feedback option to share what you like, what we could improve about the new learning site.
The latest SAP Fiori Tools release expands capabilities, simplifies deployment, and adds on more development guides. That's the title of a blog post by Ashley Tang from the SAP Fiori Tools development team, in which she announces version 1.20.0, and she's not promising too much. The SAP Fiori Tools are a popular IDE extension available in the VS Code Marketplace, and it comes out of the box with every SAP Business Application Studio. It had quite some features added since its initial release last summer. Various of them were added by your feedback. Thanks for that. New features were added to all aspects of the extension, such as the application generator, connectivity to SAP systems, or guided development. To get a complete overview of all available features, check out the linked blog post.
The developer advocates have a new homepage. It explains our mission and tells you a little bit about each of us. It also has links to our presences on social media, on SAP Community, GitHub, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. These links, of course, in turn will lead you to lots of the content that we create. Check it out on the developers.sap.com site at developers-advocates.html.
New releases and bug fixes are waiting for you within SAP BTP this week. The two major highlights are the Launchpad service and connectivity service. For the Launchpad service, we got automatic patch updates for apps with a stable SAP UI5 version. Apps can now publish notifications if needed, and with the help of a new admin web assistant, it is possible to have on-screen support for your users. The connectivity service brings principal propagation for using user access tokens, which are issued by the Identity Authentication Service in addition to the existing XSUAA basis. Also, the naming conventions got introduced for HTTP destinations. If you want to read through these in detail or want to stay up to date with future SAP BTP changes, updates, and new features, you can follow the link right here.
We all, developers of all kinds who work with SAP products and technologies, are a part of even bigger developer ecosystem. And one of the biggest worldwide 2021 developer surveys has recently started, conducted by Stack Overflow platform. Nearly 65,000 developers participated in it in 2020. Last year, the COVID-19 pandemic hit. So in addition to classic questions, the survey authors want to hear from us how coders' lives have changed during this massive work from home experiment by asking about collaborating asynchronously and virtually, and about managing projects and teams when all communication is remote. It will be great to hear voices of you, developers from the SAP ecosystem too. So please join the survey. You will find a link to it in the description of this video. Thank you.